Right, listen up. Today is Christmas Day, 2025. You're probably sitting there, stuffed with turkey, feeling sorry for yourself. You want something spectacular, a dessert that screams victory, not some sad store-bought pudding. You're thinking about churros, those glorious golden brown sticks of fried dough, crispy on the outside, fluffy and tender on the inside, dusted in a blizzard of cinnamon sugar. You think they're only at fancy street fairs or Spanish tapas bars. You are wrong. You can make these in your own kitchen. It's not magic, it's precision. Follow my instructions to the letter and don't be a donkey about it. Forget what you think you know. This isn't a 5-minute job. That's a lie for microwave dinners. Real churros take dedication, but they're worth it. They're the alchemy of flour, water, and heat. When done right, they are sublime. Done poorly, they're a greasy, soggy disgrace. Today, you will not make a disgrace. Follow my lead. Pay attention to every single detail. Produce churros that could bring a tear to your grandmother's eye. This isn't just a recipe, it's a mission. Don't let me down. We're aiming for perfection, nothing less. Deep ridges from a star-tipped nozzle. Maximum surface area for incredible crunch. Inside, light as a cloud, almost steamy. Contrast that to a crisp exterior. The flavor must be clean, not oily. Cinnamon sugar must cling to every groove, a sweet, fragrant armor. First things first, get your ingredients in order. This is your mise en place. Don't you dare start cooking until every single item is measured out and ready to go. 1 cup water, 240 milliliters. 2 tablespoons sugar, a half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons oil. 1 cup all-purpose flour, sifted. 2 large eggs, room temperature. For frying, about 4 cups neutral oil, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Don't even think about substituting. You need a medium saucepan, a sturdy wooden spoon, or a heat-proof spatula, and a large mixing bowl. Most crucial, piping bag with large star tip, something like an Ateco 824. No piping bag? A zip-top bag with the corner snipped works in a pinch. Use a deep, heavy-bottomed pan or a dedicated deep fryer. You need a spider strainer or a slotted spoon. Have a plate lined with paper towels and a shallow dish for the coating. Let's talk about that oil. Ideal heat is 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. You absolutely must use a cooking thermometer. If you're guessing by flicking water, get out of my kitchen. Guessing leads to disaster. Too hot burns outside, leaves raw dough inside. Too cool, they soak up oil. Greasy, flaccid horror. Maintain that temperature. It's a command. Your success depends on this. Safety. You are playing with a cauldron of boiling oil. Keep a lid nearby for flare-ups. Never ever use water on an oil fire. Keep children and pets out of the kitchen. When you pipe, do it carefully. Don't splash. Turn churros gently. Every move deliberate and calm. Panic is your enemy. Respect the heat, respect the oil, and you will walk away with 10 fingers and a plate of beautiful churros. Now let's make the dough. Don't mess it up. Right, the dough. This is a choux pastry. Eclair. Cream puff. Show it some respect. In your saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons sugar, the salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. Place over medium-high heat. Bring to a full rolling boil. Don't walk away. Don't get distracted. You need it properly hot to gelatinize the starch. Once boiling furiously, kill the heat off the stove. This is critical. Don't be a plank. Dump the entire cup of flour in all at once. All of it. Don't sprinkle it in like you're feeding birds. Dump it. Start stirring like your life depends on it. Be vigorous. At first, a lumpy, disgusting mess. Keep going. Within a minute, it transforms. It pulls from the sides into a smooth ball. Once it's a smooth mass, stop. Let it sit off heat for 5 to 7 minutes to cool. Why are we cooling it? Because you're about to add eggs. If it's too hot, you'll have scrambled egg pastry. That is a culinary crime. Cool until just warm to the touch. Crack 2 eggs into a small bowl and whisk lightly. Never crack eggs into your main mix. Add about half the eggs to start. Prepare for an arm workout. It will resist. It'll look slippery and broken like you ruined everything. You haven't. Keep stirring. Put your back into it. It comes back together. Smooth, thick, glossy. Add the rest. Repeat. Beat until completely smooth and shiny. Thick enough to hold shape, soft enough to pipe. That is your perfect churro dough. Don't celebrate yet. The hard part is coming. The moment of truth has arrived. Your oil should be preheating. Clip your thermometer and watch it like a hawk. Wait for 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Meanwhile, prepare your sugar coating. Half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Mix well and keep it beside your draining plate. Everything should be an arm's length away. This is your battle station. Efficiency is key. Load your dough into the star nozzle. Don't overfill. Squeeze dough to the tip to purge air pockets. Air pockets can burst in hot oil, dangerous and messy. At exactly 350, you're ready to pipe. Bag in one hand, scissors or small knife in the other. Hold the bag about 2 inches above the oil. Squeeze to pipe a length of dough about 4 to 6 inches long, then snip and drop gently into the oil. Do not fling and splash. Be precise. Be careful. Do not crowd the pan. 3 or 4 at a time. Overcrowding drops temp and makes greasy abominations. Fry about 2 minutes on the first side to deep golden brown. They should float and sizzle happily. Turn gently with a spider or tongs. Cook another 1 to 2 minutes until evenly coloured and crisp. They should sound hollow and feel firm. Lift and let excess oil drip back. Transfer to paper towels to drain. Work in batches, letting oil return to 350 each round. This is how you achieve consistency. Each step builds on the last. A culinary symphony ending in a standing ovation. Cut corners and it collapses into a greasy mess. Your fault. Tie that apron. It's time to cook. You're not done yet, so don't even think about relaxing. Brief rest, 10 to 15 seconds max. Coat them while they are still hot. Heat makes cinnamon sugar stick to every ridge. It creates that perfect, crusty shell of sweetness. If they cool, the sugar won't adhere. You failed the final hurdle. Timing is everything. Don't be slow. Place hot, drained churros into the cinnamon sugar. Roll or toss until fully coated. Every surface covered in that glorious, fragrant mixture. Don't be shy. Not a time for restraint. Transfer to a serving platter. Serve standing up in a glass or piled high on a plate. A mountain of golden, sugary perfection. They're at their absolute peak. What to serve them with? Classic pairing, chocolate sauce, not runny bottled syrup. Make a proper one. Gently melt good dark chocolate, 70% or more. Add a splash of heavy cream. Heat until smooth, rich and decadent. Thick, warm dulce de leche, caramel sauce. Dip a hot, crisp churro into cool, creamy sauce. Heaven. Even on their own, they're a triumph. This is your reward. Final advice. Churros have a short lifespan. Eat immediately. That crunch and soft interior fade. An hour later, they're still good. A day later, they're a shadow. So make, serve, and eat them now. Don't make ahead. Don't reheat in the microwave. Freshness is the beauty. You followed the steps. You controlled the heat. You respected the process. Now enjoy your bloody perfect churros. Well done.